Hey, hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to make a smoke detector circuit. Smoke detectors are very useful in the detection of smoke or fire in buildings, and so are the important parameters of safety. So today in this project, we will make a simple smoke detector alarm circuit without using any microcontroller. This circuit triggers the buzzer whenever it detects smoke or fire nearby it. This smoke detector alarm circuit is designed using MQ02 sensor and with few easily available components like NPN transistor. Main part of this circuit is gas sensor MQ02, which is capable of detecting smoke, LPG, propane and hydrogen. It can be used in different types of applications where the smoke, LPG, propane and hydrogen gas leak detection required. This smoke detector circuit is designed without using any microcontrollers, so we don't require any coding. Just power up the circuit using battery and this circuit will start working. So in this way, this smoke detector circuit is very good safety equipment. Also small and reliable, which can be easily installed anywhere. During the video, I will explain working and construction of this smoke detector circuit. So watch the video till end. Now let's get into this video. This is the schematic of PCB. If you want your own custom designed PCB, then you can download this schematic from the link given in the video description. After making the schematic, convert it into PCB, arrange and place all the components in desirable places. Once the layout is ready, route the wiring and complete the design of PCB. After the completion of PCB design, you need to download 3 files which will require during PCB order. These files are BOM, Gerber, CPL, that is pick and place file. Now open JLC PCB website and click on Quote Now button under PCB assembly. Click here to upload the Gerber file of your PCB. Here JLC PCB will automatically set all the parameters of PCB. Select the PCB quantity and color masking of PCB by yourself. Scroll down below and select for PCB assembly. Here you have to select on which surface you want to PCB assembly, either on top side or bottom side. In my case, it is top side. After that, click on confirm button. For PCB assembly, we need 2 more files. One is BOM, that is bill of material, and the second one is CPL, that is pick and place file. Upload these 2 files one by one. Here you need to give the description about your PCB, for which purpose you want to make this PCB. I am giving here smoke detector circuit. After that, click on next button. All the components were shown here that are to be assembled. In case if you want to not assemble any particular component, then you can deselect that component. After checking all the components, click on next button. Here you will see all the components that has to be assembled by JLC PCB along with the pricing. Now click on save to cart to complete your order. After 7 days, PCB arrived at my place. As usual, the quality of PCB is very premium and the components are soldiered very well. Traces are perfect, silk screen is fine and PCB look pretty professional. Working of this smoke detector alarm circuit is very easy. In this project, we used the transistor operating properties to work with this circuit as a smoke detector. BC547 NPN transistor will turn on whenever it gets at least 0.7 volt at its base terminal. We therefore applied a voltage divider circuit at its base. But before using this circuit, we must calibrate it by using a potentiometer. During calibration, we applied a voltage just below 0.7 volt at the base of the transistor. Whenever the sensor detects smoke, it reduces its strength. Because of this reduction in resistance, the voltage across the base of the transistor rises. Now when the voltage at the terminal of the transistor becomes greater than or equal to 0.7 volt, the transistor turns on, the LED lights up and the buzzer also starts beeping. And when we do not find any smoke, LED and buzzer turn off as the voltage across the base terminal of the transistor falls below 0.7 volt. This circuit triggers the buzzer whenever it finds smoke or fire nearby it. This circuit mainly uses the MQ02 smoke gas sensor for detecting the level of smoke. To produce the smoke, here I am using dhoop batti. Now let's expose this alarm circuit with smoke and see what happened. As you can see, as soon as sensor detects the smoke, the buzzer starts beeping and red LED glows. This buzzer will continue alarming until the smoke fully gone. And apart from this smoke, this sensor can also detect gases like LPG, methane, propane, hydrogen and lot other gases. This smoke detector circuit is very useful in safety equipment. Due to its small form factor, it can be easily fit anywhere and this circuit will operate using battery power, so we don't rely on the electricity. This circuit is made without using any microcontrollers, so anyone can use this project without worrying about the code. That's it for this video. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay healthy and stay safe. Bye bye.